Like, it's okay to start a minute early. Hello,
Yeah.
everyone. Welcome to the stream. Oh boy, do I sound okay? Probably. Probably.
Yeah, you sound fine,
Okay,
I
good, good,
think.
good. I have the good mic because I'm back at home. Um,
Right.
so this is excellent. It's not like my laptop mic. That's fine, but it's not high quality or anything. This is a podcast mic, legit one.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
I'm so hello everyone, welcome. My name is Jonko, as you might know from it being my channel that you're on right now. And this is my friend Will. Will, you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Will. Um, the me and Junko work on Serial Loops, which is an editor for Suzumiya Haruhi no Chokoretsu, uh, Haruhi game for the DS. I also work on other DS and various game projects
He does,
myself.
it's true.
Yeah, it's
He's
true.
what we call
Very
epic.
true.
He's called
I
based.
am.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's what we
It's
call
true. It's a
him.
fact.
Yeah, we call him that regularly. Uh just that's just how it is. We just call him that. Okay, well, thank you so much for coming. What I'm doing right now is I'm in merge conflict hell.
Oh yeah.
I currently, so Will just reviewed a couple of my PRs that were up, and they thank you for doing that. They went through, and now everything is broken. Oh, there's so many red squiggles everywhere. And that's
Uh-huh.
just how it is. That's just how it is. It's okay. Is this one? Oh, they want history, don't they? Okay, history's gonna be null, I think. Is fine, right?
Yeah, so I just reviewed Jonko's PRs. Very. I did them really quickly. I didn't take ages to. No, I took ages. Therefore, we had loads of merge conflicts. Um, that's how it is. It
Yeah,
do be like that sometimes,
it do be like
unfortunately.
that sometimes. It do. It's true. Oh, history can be null. It's because I am not given it. So this PR, I will show off in a second. Hello, Ankun. Nice to see you. This PR or the thing I'm working on right now is really cool, but I can't show it to you right now because I'm in merge conflict hell. So I'll explain it in a moment. But basically, Will, do you want to talk about what you're working on since you also have some stuff that you're working on for serial loops? Because we're in the home
Yeah.
stretch. That's what this stream is, by the way. We're in the home stretch. We have very few issues left before we can release v0.3, and next week we're going to be doing user testing, hopefully. So
I'm doing two things. I'm adding an icon for importing projects, and I'm also working on adding. We switched a few streams ago. Actually, we switched over to the styles of serial libs to make it look nicer. So we gave everything this nice acrylic effect, and that meant that also we removed the window titles, which also was
yes.
happened to be where we displayed the name of the project you were editing, which was a bit of a slight whoops, we forgot. So we're adding that back somewhere, and I'm gonna do that as well today.
Yes,
So yeah.
and it will be really cool when he does that. I'm very excited. Okay.
Yee.
This says that
Yeah,
it needs a
maybe some other style tweaks as well if I
skin.
get some time.
Oh, it also needs the layout item. I see. It needs both. I forget what changes I've made. In case you were wondering, this is the issue. Um, okay.
uh,
Uh,
I now need to find where I put the master um file for the icons for Harry serial
oh.
loops. It's an
Ooh.
XD file. I don't
Ooh.
I don't know where that is.
I don't know what that is. What's an XD file?
Ah, I found it. I found it.
Oh,
Never mind.
epic.
I'm goated. Wait, did I find it? No. Oh,
Oh,
oh
he's
wait.
not goaded.
I found the master logo. This is where I draw the logos for all the games. Let's see if I can find the other one. Let's just try search. Do 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 do. Might be on my NAS. Maybe. How do he? Hmm.
Script editor view model.
Maybe.
Script editor. Next. Okay, whatever. Oh, did I want to do that? I might want to do it. Okay. Script editor, and then uncheck
How you
these two
doing?
things.
How you doing, Metal Icarus?
Yes.
Um,
Oh, first stream. Welcome. Yeah,
and
this
Ankun.
is gonna be a crazy one because we're just going ham. We're like absolutely going wild.
Yeah.
Um, yeah. I don't
What's
really
your
know what
thoughts
else to
on
say about that.
gammon, Jonko?
What's that?
What's your thoughts on gammon as a food stuff?
What the fuck is gammon? I've never heard of
It's like,
this.
it's like I don't really know myself. It's kind of like cooked ham.
Well,
They
I'm
serve it.
vegetarian, so
Oh well, yeah.
yeah,
Ugh,
yeah, yeah,
yeah.
yeah. So I don't know what I think about that is what I'm saying. Um,
Yeah, I'm not a big fan. It just sometimes I just think about gammon. It just comes to me sometimes.
it's
Because they used to serve it when I was when I was really little. It used to be like the choice for like British
British stuff.
school lunches. Yeah, they used to serve you
Oh,
gammon,
school lunches. Ah, I see. I don't
right?
really know what Serial Loops is, but I subbed to the channel. I said Dearly Stars translating. Yes. So we're gonna get back to
Oh
Dearly
yeah.
Stars probably at some point. Today we're working on Serial Loops. So Serial Loops, I'll give an overview of what Serial Loops is real quick. So we're the Haruhi Translation Club, is what we're a big thing that we're part of. And
Yep.
the big project that we're working on right now is translating this game, a DS game called Suzume Haruhi no Tokuretsu. Now, the translation is actually almost done. But one of the things that we're making in addition to the translation is this cool little editor, which lets you edit everything about the game, is the goal at least. So these are the old graphics of what it used to look like, but now it looks cool and better. And I'll show you that soon after I finish fixing all of these merge conflicts that I have. The
Yeah.
very many merge conflicts that I have. Also,
That's
did these get called from a context where there is a database established? Yes, they do.
Yeah, so
Hell
basically we're
yes.
making a very user-friendly editor.
Yeah, that's the
Um,
idea. That is the idea indeed.
I know who Haruhi is. She collaborated with the Idolmaster series several times, I think.
Oh
They,
yeah.
that's Haruhi's like was like yeah, big media property in the early 2000s, and one of those that's only been kind of doing, only kind of shown up since then. Uh, a few times in various crossover collabs and on Twitter like last week for some reason.
Yes.
Um,
She's
so you should
gonna
see that.
yeah,
It's
she's
very
gonna be back
funny.
though. She's back. She's gonna be back.
She's back. Yeah, Junko keeps predicting that Haruhi's going to make a big comeback. Well, I have as well. I keep thinking this is the year of the Suzumiya Haruhi, but
Yeah, it is.
I don't
I
know.
think we all know that.
Yeah,
It's just a
maybe.
fact. It's just a fact at this point. She's coming back.
Where the
Uh,
Heston Blumenthal did I put the bloomin' icons? Maybe they're in here. Where on earth
this
did I
man
put
is
them?
so British. Uh,
Where did I put them? Is it in resources? Items? No. She's not back, says the Inquisitor.
oh, that's not
Ah.
true. There's already a music video thing that they're making. Like she's objectively back.
Oh yeah, I bought that. I put money on that on the Kickstarter for our poor company Katakala to make that.
Hell yeah, that's epic. Uh,
Assets might be an asset. Icons. Surely I put the big Kahuna doc with all them on. Maybe not. Well, okay then. I must have it somewhere. It might be on my old device. Where did I put that? Oh, it might be here.
oh, epic.
No, it's not that. No, is it here? No, not there. Is
Damn.
it here? Oh, oh, is it here?
And then
No, that's my current brand.
okay. And then chibi call.
I'm gay. Can I be in here? Yeah, of course you can.
Yeah, that's epic.
It is epic.
Yeah.
I'm bisexual. Who would I be the judge? Yeah, exactly.
I'm also
Yeah.
bisexual.
This is so wholesome. This chat is the most wholesome chat.
Yeah, you are. Yes, it is. It is epic. To be gay, it's epic. It's just a true fact. Okay, but you know what's not epic? It's fucking merge conflicts, man. Like, what is
I
even
mean,
happening here?
Junko, you should have just, come on. It's all your fault.
I should have
really,
what? I should have like not done work and waited for reviews to
No.
come in. Oh my gosh, I had to wait so long. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Uh-huh.
Uh,
Okay, wait.
Alright,
What is it?
I've got a plan, Junko. I'm
Oh,
gonna
you got a plan?
recreate this file by re-importing everything.
Oh, that is epic,
I'm
actually.
incredibly weird. I use Adobe Experience Design, which is a discontinued Adobe app for making assets for everything, and it's a very questionable decision, but I'm proud of that decision.
Honestly, I'm happy for you, King.
Thank you, Junko.
Okay,
Du-du-du.
what do you
Why?
mean
Oh.
it has 8 parameters but is invoked with 7 arguments? What am I missing? Map character oh, do we not use project anymore? We don't use project anymore. We don't need that one. Okay, so we can delete that, but now it only has 6 arguments. Okay, map characters, origin script. So this is the map characters, origin script. Script editor. Ah. Okay, we're good now. We did it. We did it, Kings. I did it in the wrong order, though.
There is no world where hierarchy is not bi. I'm not making a theological argument. That's just my headcanon. You know, one
I
of the
don't think
great
that's
things,
headcanon.
my favorite single. Well, that's true. Actually, thinking about hierarchy, my favorite single thing about hierarchy, the series, is how open to interpretation everything is. Like, you could reasonably argue like just about anything about hierarchy, and I would be like completely in agreement. You know.
Yeah, I agree with that, and also, as I said, not even a that's not even headcanon. That's just canon. That's
Yeah.
just canon.
She acts pretty gay pretty often actually in
Yeah,
that show. Thinking
yeah,
about it.
yeah. That's just. I mean, like, she. I'm just saying, man. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Bisexual
She's just
queen up there with
she's a little
Koizumi, our
bi gay
bisexual king.
leader.
Yeah. Koizumi is also our bisexual king, of course. I mean, that one is open to interpretation. That one's up for interpretation.
Yeah.
He is objectively attracted to Haruhi according to the Disappearance movie. But
Yeah.
um,
Have
I
you heard like his like rendition of the Haruhi Yukai? Like
yes,
that's pretty wacky, isn't it?
and it's pretty
So
wacky. I have all of the character albums, of course.
you have them physically? I'm jealous as hell.
Yes,
I
yes.
want that.
I don't think I
Do you
have
have them on
all
like
of them
Laserdisc?
physically. No, I don't have them on Laserdisc. I have CDs. I
Just
don't have all of them
re
either on physically. I have them all digitally, but I don't have them all physically, I
okay.
don't think.
Can you still buy them
Yeah, of course. You can buy anything you
like
want, King.
digitally?
Oh, digitally you mean?
Yeah.
I don't fucking know. Here, let's find out real quick.
All right. All right. All right.
Ototoi.
Sorry to
Okay.
I'm still astonished, gobsmacked even by who was it who found like the off-focal version of Wonder Trip the other day?
I don't
Why
know.
does our chat? Why does our chat keep retracting messages? Oh no, that's you. You do that.
Oh yeah, you can redact messages.
I didn't know you could do that. That's a very YouTube feature.
Oh,
Sorry.
retract messages. Oh, I see. Okay, sorry. You don't redact, you retract.
Yeah.
Um. What are these called? I mean, there's a lot of shit here. That is Suzumiya Haruhi labeled, but that actually makes sense. But it doesn't seem like a lot of that is actually Suzumiya Haruhi specific on this site, at least. Let's try just. I guess I did Ototoi because I was thinking like Japanese music, but let's just try Apple Music real quick. And just search Hare Hare Yukai. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Oh no, Japan anime song collection, The Melancholy of Haruhi Suzumiya series. Okay. I don't know if you can buy this, Will. I think
No.
you have to buy them physically, maybe.
Oh, maybe.
I don't know.
Yeah. How do I? I thought you said adult toy for a second. What? Wait, was it?
What did I say? What did I do? Oh, chat's really active. Um, okay, so script editor goes here. Wait. Oh, I have to get rid of project. And then chibi call and items call. Okay, let's fucking go. Okay, load map characters now. Currently this is database shit is what this is. Okay, so this is chibi call, items call, and then chibi call, items call. Oh wait, no, I have to do that within here. Shit, because this is a special command. Shit, okay. Light
Special
database
command.
using light database db equals new script editor dot window dot open project dot db file db add items call add chibi call. If I don't do this, these will be disposed when I get around
Oh,
to
right.
trying to use them in this command, so I have to do it this way. Um, so that's the first thing we're doing, and then we have the other refresh maps. Okay. Oh, no. Sorry. Yes, no. Huh. What was I doing? Load map
Yes. No.
characters. Load map characters. That's what I was doing. I was loading map characters. Baby. All right. So loading map characters. This is from within set map, which has one usage, and set map is called I'm a fucking setter. Okay. That's so bad for me. Okay, that's
Did you
fine.
make a Google? Did you make a goof?
No, I didn't. I didn't. It's all good.
Okay, good.
Light database db equals new script editor dot window dot open project dot db file using. You always want to do your using so it gets disposed at the end of the context. I var.
You're just
Then
using me.
yeah, that's what I'm doing, King. That's what I'm doing. It's so true. It's so true. Okay. And then set map items call, or no, chibi call items call. Oh wait, I didn't do that yet. I have to add that to this too. I like collection. Is there gonna be other stuff in this fucking method that I have to do shit with? Nah, we're good as fuck. Okay, cool. Chibi item shim. So one of the things I did, Will, is I added a whole bunch of shims.
Oh, really?
Yeah, are you familiar with the concept of a shim?
Kinda, not really.
So basically what that means is we call item call. So basically what I did is I had a bunch of wrappers around the main objects that we have, right? We have all of these different things that we're passing around. And in order to make it so for example, I store all of the items in the database, right? We store every single
Yeah,
item in the
then
database in an item table.
brand new.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
But here's the actually, you know what? I can do a little demonstration.
Have we demoed this yet?
Well, not yet
Wow.
because it doesn't
Doesn't
work
work.
yet.
Yeah.
But let me show you something cool. So this is a DB Explorer.
Is this
Um,
DB Explorer for SQLite? Oh no,
it's
it's something different.
Light DB, which is of the DB that we're using. It's a
Right.
specific type of
I
database.
I should look into it. I haven't actually
Yeah, it's neat. It's just
researched
an
it.
it's like
Yeah.
Mongo basically. It's the same stuff as
Yeah.
Mongo, but it's
Is it
optimized
JSON
for
based?
.NET. It's JSON. It's
Or like
BSON based. It's
Beeson?
BSON
Yeah, yeah,
based. Yeah,
Beeson.
like Mongo is. It's
Yeah.
very
Okay.
similar to Mongo. And I think oh, did I? Oh, actually, I think I deleted. Uh, look at my tests. Look at this.
Oh my god, yeah. That's the thing with like tests involving databases that generates so many temp files.
I just have been recycling these like crazy. Okay, let's see if this is one that's
Yeah.
good. Yeah, so you can see. So I have the items table, which
Yeah, I
contains
see.
all of the actual items, right? But then all of these other ones, first of all, I have a shims table that if we run real quick, you can see it just returns the name, the display name of the item, the topic, and its ID, which is its name. So you can look up
Right.
items by name by going into their ID column, basically, right? So we can just do a real quick, we can
That's
do a
cool.
very fast lookup. If you have the item's
That's
name, you can
yeah, it's just
immediately
one
get the item. Yeah.
as O was ON or whatever as
Yeah.
yeah.
So then
O1.
the
Right.
other thing that I did was we were doing this thing that was really we were doing a thing that was crazy, which was we would go in and we would filter the items collection in memory, right, by item type, right? Um, so what I did was I created these shim tables. So like here's the background item table that contains important information about all of the different backgrounds. So you can see
Yeah.
here, for example, it has the background's name, which is its ID, so we can look it up quickly again. And then it has like the ID, which is a different thing. It has the type of the background, its flag name, archive indices, display name, and whether you can rename it or not is in there as well. So this is another item shim that we can then, when we want to filter by background items, we just look in the background table, basically the background item table. Rather than going through all of the items or all of the shims and filtering, we can just filter directly to specific tables, which is very useful because when we were doing that filtering, we were never doing like very complex composite filtering. We were always just like, give me these ones from this overall table, like filter the whole thing. And now we can just do that directly with
Right.
these tables, which leads to some complications because then you have a whole bunch of shit you have to update. But the good news is we have one save function, and so for the most part we just do everything
You're
in the
right.
save function,
We actually never yeah, we never actually got more complicated than that.
which
That's
is
cool.
great.
Yeah.
It's really great. Yeah.
Yeah. Convenient for this. Yeah.
Very convenient. Yeah. Okay, so update map character is called from the map character sub editor .azaml.cs. Cool.
Haven't made any new serial loops icons for a while. This is fun.
Yeah, I need you to make some more, bro. Or is that what you're
That's what
doing?
I'm doing now.
Hell
Yeah.
yes. King shit. Oh my god, I love this. Okay. So this one's called without DB within DB list context. So we should be able to do using light database DB equals new script editor dot open dot window dot open project dot db file var, and then we can actually just do this in line. I think it's gonna be easier. db dot get collection item, oh no, chibi item shim, name of chibi item, db.get collection item description project.items collection name. So this will be really cool when I do get to demo it eventually. But that's
It's
not gonna happen right
yeah,
now.
but the biggest complaint I'd ever have about serial loops up until now probably would have been the load times if you'd actually asked me.
Yeah, that was
I'd
mine
probably I'd
too.
have probably said I'd have probably said it takes too long to load, but I figured that was probably more of a consequence of just what we had to load, which was quite a lot of data.
Yeah,
So it
that's
wasn't
why
too
I'm.
much. But yeah, it's a good point. Obviously, I guess this is a very valid strategy, just caching everything beforehand. It's basically what we're doing, right? We're just
Yeah,
caching and loading from a cache instead.
Yeah,
Yeah.
basically, yes, that is the case. And it's clever. It works really well. I'm actually really happy about it. And then we're gonna do this. Okay. So yeah, no, it is. We're caching everything in a DB is like the main thing that we're doing. But
I mean, it's king shit, as you say.
yeah. But what's really cool about it, I think, the really interesting thing about the DB caching is not just the caching itself, but the fact that it also, I mean, this is not really cool. I don't know. This is just a convenient thing. It also,
It's pretty balls to the walls, awesome.
yeah, thank you. Yeah, the thing that is kind of there was one thing that is also like kind of cool about it, which is that it lets us not have to worry about persisting tons of data in memory.
Yeah,
So
which
it
is really
lowers our
nice.
memory footprint a lot too, which is really
Yeah.
cool. And then the last thing that's really cool is every time you edited an object before, there was no way to discard your changes because everything
Yeah,
was in
yeah,
memory.
yeah.
And
Exactly, yeah.
now
You
you
can
can
do that.
discard changes really easily, which is very cool. Um, oh, they're never gonna see your thing. You have a thing? You have a thing?
What's the thing?
No, like the way he pronounced a totoe. Oh, you thought I said adult toy because of a totoy. Ah, I see, I see. Okay, I understand.
It, that
Ototoy.
that does actually make
Yeah,
sense.
I guess ototoy is like ototoy, isn't it? But
Is
yeah, I
that
don't
is
know.
that actually like a Japanese word
It
or the
means the
atotoy?
day before yesterday in Japanese. Yeah,
Ah,
I don't know why it means that, but what
yeah, that's
Discord?
random.
Yeah, it blocked your link, my dude. Go to haruhi.club. I'll show you the link real quick. Go to haruhi.club and click this link for the Discord server. Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
we come chat.
Come chat with us. There's the Discord server. You can join. I'm not going to respond for a hot sec because I'm in the middle of streaming, but I will chat with you eventually if you'd like. I'm very friendly. Um,
He's very friendly.
Thank you, King.
He's like in
Um,
my top one Americans, I'd say.
wow, thank you. That actually means a lot. I mean, I guess there's not
I
a lot
didn't
of
know
good
that.
Americans, but like,
Nah, not at the minute. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Damn. Okay, let's see.
No.
So we can delete this, I think. And then we can delete this. And then we can delete that because that's all repeated. And then is this all the same? Yes, this is all the same. Yeah. Okay. Oh, there's like an if history thing going on here. Oh, I see what's going on. Okay, so there's something that when I did the merge, we're gonna have to pull up the GitHub. Oh, why did I go to Haruhi again? We're gonna have to pull up the GitHub, and we're gonna have to go in here. Oh, whoa, website again. It's haruhi.club. It's like spelled like that. .club.
I keep meaning to ask, but I really want to do a stream where I just work on the website for like
Well,
2 hours.
please do, because currently the patcher is broken and has been for a while.
Yeah, I also just generally want to like update everything. I've
Okay,
learned a lot. I've worked a lot on my website over the last like 2 years since I wrote that one,
do
the
it,
Haruhi
King.
one. So
Do
like
it.
I'm like reasonably more competent at Nuxt.js now. Nuxt, by the way, is like an okay. I'm pretty happy with Nuxt. I actually
I
quite
like
like Nuxt.
Nuxt. I like Nuxt. I like
Nuxt is
Vue.
cool.
I like Vue
There's yeah,
specifically.
Vue, and yeah, Nuxt is a pretty decent layer over Vue though that saves effort. So I
Yes,
have
it
no
is.
problem.
Yeah.
I have no
Um.
problem with Nuxt, but yeah, I kind of wanna
Okay.
just funsies.
Yeah, do it. I want that. I want you to do that. I will join
Yeah,
you on stream for that, dude. Like
yeah.
100%. I will join you in that stream. Um.
Okie dokie. Right, let's add an
Scenario
icon
editor
to
view
this
model.
project. Icons. Where are the resources? Utility. Let's go for a new branch.
Okay. So actually, there is no if statement. Huh. Oh wait, no, that's delete. Yes, there is an if statement here. If new verb is not null.
Where the hast implementor? Ah, there we are.
This is add, right? So if new verb is null, return. Ah, I changed it up. I see. Okay. So that explains this. So I can actually delete all of this stuff and then just move this back and then delete that, and then we're good. Okay. So yeah, this also this history stuff is kind of cool. This is undo redo stuff. And I had to do a bunch of it kind of manually because we do a bunch of weird stuff with our properties. But some of it I was able to just subscribe directly to the properties and have undo redo just work. But you can see like here I snapshot. In order to undo, you have to remove the command at this index and then remove it from this other observable collection that we also have whenever we have two collections that we're maintaining at the same time because we're very cool. So then this looks like it merged fine. 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 This did not merge fine. So, oh my god, I hope you guys are enjoying the fucking...
You really do live next to a fire station.
I really do live next to a fire station. Hope you guys love that. I only live next to a fire station for now. For now. I'm hoping that I will move soon, in case you're wondering. Now you're going to ask, where are you moving, Junko? And the answer to that question, King, is Tokyo. Tokyo is where I'm moving. That's kind of cool, isn't it? Okay. So let's fix these scenario command editors real quick, because they're all busted.
Welcome to the Discord.
Oh.
Why? When did Junko? One of my victories over the past year and a half is convincing Junko to use Rider. It's actually perhaps the greatest cultural victory I've ever had.
Excuse me, Rider decided to go non-commercial, free non-commercial or whatever.
Right? Thank you, JetBrains, for helping me.
Yeah, that was what convinced me. Rider is really good. So when did I start using Rider?
It's really good.
Yeah, I was using Dragon Ball. Everywhere. It was after the Dragon Ball. It was almost immediately after they went non-commercial, free license for non-commercial use.
Great decision from JetBrains.
Yes, it was because I used it immediately. So yeah, it was a good decision on their part, and it's really good.
Crazy.
Rider is specifically for Avalonia. Rider is the best OS. Actually, I want to show you something funny. I saw this tweet from Avalonia the other day. They are redoing their website right now.
Oh, really?
And they have this new thing that they mentioned. Build with your favorite tool. Oh, have they not updated it yet? Oh, they might not have updated. Okay, I'll go to their thing. I want to show you what it is because it's really funny. It was on Blue Sky that I saw it. Avalonia UI. Yeah, it was here. Yeah, it was here. So it's this. It's here's the different options, right? So the best experience is Rider. It's the best cross-platform development experience. Full support for Visual Studio 2022. Pushing the limits of a text editor. Develop like an animal.
That's good.
I like really that.
Yeah. If you develop like Java or C# apps with Visual Studio Code, then
crazy. Yeah, right? You're crazy.
You are crazy.
Yeah,
that's just pain. There's no joy in that whatsoever.
No, there really isn't. There really isn't.
I mean, I guess you could use Vim or if you're really a Linux core.
If you hate yourself,
that's standard.
But
it just makes your work slower though.
Visual Studio Code is at least open source. I will give it that.
I like Visual Studio Code a lot. It's really good. When I need to edit config files, or I want to just investigate.
Yes, I use Visual Studio Code for just about everything. Yeah.
Also web dev. I do web dev.
I do a lot of web dev in Visual Studio. Although I've been liking WebStorm lately.
You see, I actually this is the one area where JetBrains get in my way a bit because with web dev, with web dev, I'm just running all I need is a terminal to run a web app off of.
Sure.
And I think WebStorm gets in my way too much.
Oh, interesting.
I
actually felt the same way about Sea Lion. I felt Sea Lion.
All right, I haven't tried Sea Lion. I haven't tried C Line. I use
Yeah,
Visual Studio for C and C++ dev. If I need to do that.
yeah, I use C Line.
Visual Studio Code.
C Line's not free yet, but I have the student license, I think.
Where the hell?
Yeah,
Oh,
give
fuck.
Writer a go for sure. It's real good.
Yeah,
True
it's
devs use
great.
Nano. No, they don't.
This is
True devs who are
uh
gonna like using Nano is a sign of like suicidality, I think. Like it's not good. Like you don't want to use Nano, man.
I use Nano when I'm editing stuff on my Linux server. When I'm like doing server work, I'm like, to hell with the Vim. I can't deal with that. It stresses me out too much.
I love Vim. I'm a Vim guy.
I'm used to it now. I can colon W or colon Q and all that now, but
That's
yeah,
good.
it still freaks me out. It still freaks me out. I prefer
I'm a big
a
Vim
Nano.
guy. I'm a big Vim guy.
Yeah.
It's true. Yeah. That's
Vim
just
just
facts.
reminds me of this is really specific, really strange. Have you ever
Okay.
played Mario and Luigi Partners in Time
Uh,
for the DS?
yes, I actually have played Mario and Luigi Partners in Time. Yes.
There's a section in that game called the Vim Factory,
Oh,
and
interesting.
I got
With
stuck
two
there
M's
as a
though.
kid. Maybe. I
Hmm.
got stuck there as a kid for like hours, and Vim reminds me of that.
That's so
So it's
specific.
like traumatic.
That's so specific.
All right,
Okay.
I gotta find views, dialogues, and then it's the start
And
page
this can
dialogue.
all
That's what I'm looking
go.
for. Home dialogue. What did I call it? I made it. What did I call it?
And then
Panels. Home panel.
we want to
Start.
observe script shim with history, I think, right? Um,
Oh, you even like name the command. That for me. That's cool.
what's that?
No, I love it when I see something where you've like commented out a place for me to add code because you figured that I'd do it later. I've done it.
Yeah, I
We
trust
now
you.
have an import project icon. How lovely. I'll commit that.
Thank you, King.
Do-do-do.
Oh my god. Most of my time is VS with Unreal. Yeah. Yeah, Writer is just really good. So here's the thing. I worked at a Microsoft shop. You know what? Fuck it. I'm done. I worked at Microsoft for a while. I don't work there anymore, so don't look me up. But anyway, I worked at Microsoft for a while, and so I was like required at work to use Visual Studio, and so that's just what I did for a long time, and I wasn't gonna pay for Writer, like a special, I wasn't gonna do that. I had coworkers that did because they like swore by it, but I just wasn't gonna do that. So I've been using Visual Studio like basically this whole time, and then Writer when it has its like you can set Writer to use the Visual Studio shortcuts, and so I just like do that, and it just works beautifully. It's just perfect. I have absolutely no issues with it now, as a result of that. So there you go. That's my Writer take. It's good.
Writer is
Uh,
good.
yeah, it's really good. Previously on this channel, I said that it was written in C sharp. That's a lie. It's written in Kotlin actually. Um,
Writer is.
Writer is written in Kotlin.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
have.
They're all. They all use Swing.
Oh, do they?
All the JetBrains stuff. Yeah,
I
believe it
didn't
or
know
not,
that.
they use Swing and a crazy UI library. I'm pretty sure.
That's cool. Yeah, yeah, no. So it's written in Kotlin, but they have like an inspector that's written in Abalone, I believe. So, or something like that.
Microsoft is all
JetBrains.
C sharp, isn't it?
Microsoft's all C sharp, yeah, which is great. I love that for me.
They use any like Rust or anything these days, or only for
No,
like
not
low level
really.
stuff?
I mean,
Yeah.
like sometimes a little bit, but like the .NET like runtime is all C++. Um, so it's like raw C++. We wouldn't be able to do Rust, because Rust doesn't have interop
Yeah.
with managed language stuff. Like the whole
Yeah.
thing,
Yeah.
Rust is like itself like a memory like safe language, right?
Yeah.
So you can't build a memory safe language on a memory safe
Mm.
language. It's like so they have to build that in C++, which is also it's good. My thing is now in the Discord. Don't know if you check every single channel. I do check every single channel, so I will take a look at it. Do they
Cool.
use C? Not in the runtime, I don't think. The C is pretty much embedded only. nowadays.
Oh, they use it. They use it in the. Do they not use it at all in the runtime?
I don't think so. I'm pretty sure the runtime is all C++.
Oh.
I could be wrong.
Oh, they
Let me
might have
see.
used it in like.
I mean, it's a lot of. Oh, there is some C. Let's see what the C is.
Java used C.
Nope, it's.
Java used
Oh, there
C.
is some C. There's some C.
Java's like-
LLDB.c. So there's a little bit of C, I guess. I stand corrected.
Like
Most of
drive-
these are header
driver
files,
stuff. I
but
imagine.
yeah, that's true. Probably driver stuff. You're right. Yeah, so there's some C, but it's like a lot of it is C++, and then also like the runtime does have a bunch of C# because this is the base class libraries.
Yeah.
But yeah,
of course.
also some VB.net. Are you fucking kidding me?
Is there really VB.net?
Yeah,
I
there is
love
VB.net.
VB.net.
Why do you
That is
love
nostalgia.
VB.net? Oh my god.
It's my first language. I
That was
learned
not
VB.net.
mine. Mine was C#.
I love VB.net.
They have
VB.net
assembly?
is actually.
Oh, they do.
That makes sense. If
That
there's
makes
C, there's
sense.
probably assembly, right?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah.
They have TypeScript.
What's the TypeScript?
Because you have to compile the WASM.
Can we talk about how bad Maui is for a minute?
Yeah, let's talk about how bad Maui is for a minute.
Maui sucks.
Maui sucks. It's terrible. That's it. That's what you wanted to say.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
cool.
not really. Yeah, it's just yeah. You had
Maui's
this because you
bad.
had this experience recently.
Yeah,
didn't you?
I used
To
Maui
deal
for
with
my
Maui.
education. Yeah.
So did I.
Yeah, I was being educated in Maui.
Why? Why is that the thing? It's how does that Microsoft?
Because it's the official thing that Microsoft makes. That's
It's
the only
so
reason.
bad.
It's really bad.
Awful. There's zero support. There is like no libraries for that thing.
Avalonia
like
is
wait,
substantially
Well,
better.
like who is the guy with like the toothpick or whatever, and who want me or whatever, and it's like 100% zero, no one.
No one,
Something.
bro. No one,
Yeah.
bro. Yeah, no, Avalonia is much better. I'm really looking forward to them having a navigation story, like a windowless navigation story, so that we can like build really good mobile apps on them.
Yeah.
Because that's the one thing that Maui has right now that Avalonia lacks
Yeah,
is
yeah.
a navigation system. But that's because Maui is built for mobile, like really.
Yeah.
It
really is.
The thing is, you can't make desktop apps with it, realistically. I mean, you can, but they look like ass.
It's just so silly though. It's just so silly because nobody's doing that. In
Yeah,
reality,
exactly.
nobody is actually making mobile apps with Maui. Everyone's using web apps and just embedding them or something dumb.
Yeah.
Or they're using native, which is what you should do, in my opinion, for a good mobile experience. Generally.
No, you should use Avalonia.
Not for mobile.
Yeah, for mobile. I'm gonna do it for mobile.
Yeah, but yeah, I don't know.
It's really good. It's really good. Like Serial Loops looked great on mobile when I ported it to that briefly.
Does it like do native controls and stuff, or not really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because I actually really like how Swift UI looks.
Valid.
Yeah.
Valid. I don't know. Like the thing is that like Avalonia is not there yet for it because, like I said, it doesn't have a good navigation story. Like you can't page back and forth. You can't push and pop navigation stack basically yet.
Right. Yeah.
And so there's no real point to, doing anything with Avalonia on mobile right now, in my opinion. I mean, you can do like single page apps. It's great for like if you don't have any navigation you have to do. It's really good. But you know.
Yeah.
Okay, what the fuck am I looking at here? What happened? What on earth happened in this merge?
Oh my god.
Oh,
really
I
went
see what
to-
happened.
on that.
I see what happened. Yeah, this is fine. We don't actually need this anymore. We don't need these things. We don't need these things. Oh, wait, no. Did I change something important? No, I didn't. I don't give a shit. Probably is fine. Is it fine, though? It's not fine. Oh, wait, no, it is fine. I just have to... No, I have to change how this works. I have to change something real quick. 1 second.
He's changing it.
Okay. So...
First language I was taught was C#. It was a decent choice back in college, yeah. Metal Licorice. First language I was taught was French.
Ah, look at this fucker over here. The first language I learned was JavaScript. After like HTML and CSS, which aren't really languages, but you get the point.
Yeah.
The first language I
A lot
ever
of
learned was JavaScript. Can you guess how old I was, Will?
So this would have been 1980.
Oh, go fuck
Uh,
yourself. Go fuck yourself. We did not have JavaScript in the 80s.
uh,
I was not alive
no,
in the 80s, to be clear.
no, yeah, sorry. You 12.
Pretty close. I was 10.
Yeah, I think I was 8, and I did VB.net
Oh,
for the
wow.
first time, and I followed like YouTube tutorials. This is like late 2000s
Oh, that's
YouTube.
cute.
Yeah, on my little
And we didn't have
illegally
YouTube when I was doing that.
registered product version of Visual Studio.
Hell yeah. They have Visual Studio Community. What were you doing? Why are you illegally
Not
registering
back
it?
then.
Oh, really? They didn't? Oh, okay.
Not until like, yeah, 2010s, I think. I think, maybe.
Okay. Well, I guess like I was using it in. No, that can't be right, Will. That can't be
Oh,
right.
really? Maybe I was wrong.
Because
Maybe I remember doing something
I
dodgy to
used
get it.
VS Community in 2009.
Ah,
I was in ninth grade. Maybe it was 2010, but it was like right in there. It was 2009, 2010. I was in like ninth grade. That was when I did my first C# project, which I can
that's
show
cool.
off. It's not under my real name. Let me double check that it's not under my real name. This won't come back to me, right?
Yeah, well, Lolon says my dad gave me a bit of programming in Java 7. Oh, I
Hell yeah.
never learned it. So I'm a Minecraft programmer.
Yeah,
That's
this is
my
fine.
it's one of my jobs. Minecraft programmer. I don't not for Mojang, but I make plugins and stuff like mods and stuff for the server. Um,
Okay, so yeah, this is fine. I can show it off. Not
okay.
the Risk of Rain 2 save editor. So this is the first thing I ever made, like a real app that I made. Basically, this was a WinForms app. It was called the Risk 2 save editor, and it was this. I don't know if you ever played this game. It was a Microprose game called Risk 2. And basically this let you open up a save file from the game and edit everything about it. So you could edit all the troop distributions, all the different players, like what cards they had, if they had missions or whatever. You could edit those things. You could edit all of like the status of the game itself, and edit individual territories and game statistics. Like you could edit the whole thing. There's a quick start guide here that explains how to set it up. Look at that! Wow. Um, and then yeah, it's all open source. It's on SourceForge because this was before GitHub. Um, but yeah,
Gosh, that's properly old stuff now.
yeah,
SourceForge.
yeah.
I
This is
remember that.
like real
It's
classic
big,
stuff. This is real classic
real
stuff,
classic.
honestly.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm actually I love. I'm very proud of this little thing that I made. Um, And like this is like the first foray. This is not ROM hacking. This is save hacking, but still, like this is like it shows. It goes. There's a continuity here in the things I enjoy, right?
Yeah.
And that's fun. We like that. Speaking of, I'm gonna have to look at this code to figure out what I fucking did wrong. Um,
Uh,
dialogue script command. Okay, so
aha.
okay, okay, so objects. Okay, I see. Okay, well that's problematic. Okay. I think this is fine if I keep it this way. I think this is fine. If I do this. That should still work. We're going to have to do so many bug tests after this.
Yeah.
Because this is a crazy merge. We're going to have to
You
do
can
like a
say
lot
that
of
again.
we're going to have to do a lot of just like using the app, I think, before we do the user testing. I think we should write out, like, we should get on a call, Will, not on stream at some point, and we should write out like what we want the users to do, and then both of us individually on different platforms go and do that. Like we follow
Okay.
our own user study, if that makes sense. And then like we can at least smoke test to catch any bugs or anything, and then we can watch the idea is that the users are not finding bugs, they're finding like errors in the UX experience, like issues with the UX experience that aren't, or why am I saying UX experience, with the UX that can be improved is the idea, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I think we need to definitely do that. So.
Yeah, I agree. Okay. um so this, okay, so why? Oh, that's why. Do I just have to wrap it? Okay, that's fine. I have to wrap these. Oh, this is, I haven't got into this yet. I have to. Okay, well, we'll do it while I'm here.
That works. That actually looks good as well.
Does it?
I think so.
Nice. So yeah, so this is, I have like shimmed everything. And so what we do now is, instead of like going through this whole crazy link query, what we do now is we just do sfx call dot find all. It just works. It's beautiful. I actually am really happy about that. That's like really nice. It's a very good feature. Okay. But then we have to make sure that we're persisting the SFX. So we have public SFX item, SFX, selected SFX. We can do get set, and we do make that reactive. And then we can set the SFX item down here. Selected SFX equals selected SFX shim dot get item items call, and we can wrap that with SFX item, or cast that rather. And then up here we can do the same thing in our set. And then just do selected SFX. And so this will update the SFX as we go around. And then the last thing we can do is we can go into the SFX editor. Or is this the sound play rather? Yeah. And the item link we change to the selected SFX. And these guys we change to be SFX shims. Shims using serial loops.lib.items.shims. Cool. Wow. We got a lot of, yeah, 2010 had VS Express. Okay, so that's what I was using. It wasn't VS Community then, but it was a free version of VS is what I'm saying. Yeah. And that's cool. We love that. How's your icons going, Will?
Yeah, I've done a couple of icons and I'm now working on adjusting the layout of the toolbar
Ooh. That's
because I
exciting.
have a reason. I have
I'm
a reason for doing
okay.
so, to
Okay.
incorporate the project icon.
Oh,
Project name, rather.
project
Yeah,
name. Yeah, makes sense.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Cook.
Yeah. I'll try.
This motherfucker over here, he's cooking.
Yeah.
We love that for him. Okay. And then again, this is my favorite thing, is that I can just write voice call, get collection, voice line item, shim, name of voice line item, and then I get to replace this whole crazy link query with just voice call dot find. Makes me so happy. And then the last thing we can do here is we're going to rename this to voice shim, and then we're going to make public voice line item voice get set, make it reactive, and we can do voice equals voice shim. Oh, we have to do voice line item voice shim dot get item items call. And like I said before, we do the exact same thing in the setter. And we just do script editor. There we go.
Yay.
Oh, you learned Basque? Is that what people are talking about? You learned Basque? Dude, Basque is so rad. Basque is really cool. It's like one of the only language isolates in Europe. All the other languages descend from Proto-Indo-European in Europe, basically.
Really?
But Basque does not. Basque is an isolate. It has no other known relatives. So it's a
That's cool.
pre-Indo-European migration European language.
That's really cool.
Yeah, it is. Basque is very, very interesting that way. I think it's cool. Okay. So let's close all these tabs because they're getting a little overwhelming for me. Okay. So here we have character equals character. So we don't need this because we already have this thing up here. So we can just set history up here and we'll be fine. And the rest of this should be working still. Yep. And then this one, same thing. We just need to do this. And then this one, probably the same thing. Oh, nope. This is a little bit more complicated. Oh, boy. Okay. Well, to start with, you can start doing that. And then this is the layout entry, which requires a reactive item description, right? So that requires the map. Oh, wait, no, it requires description. Oh, wait, no, it requires... Wait, it does require a description, I thought. Yeah. Yeah. And then we have, okay, so then these two are the same thing. So there's some edit here that I made. But I don't see what it is, so I'm just going to delete it. Okay. And then this here, that's pretty clearly different between the two. No, it's the same. Okay. I don't know. I don't know what I was up to when I was merging this shit. What was going on? Okay, this one is just I renamed a thing to occlusion layer. That's fine. Let's change that and add the description at the front. And then down here. Okay, so then these ones, yes. So I added, did I remove open project? Highlighted space. Let's go to highlighted space real quick. I must have removed open project. Yeah, okay. So now I just keep that, and do that, and then keep this and do this. Okay. and this apparently. Okay, so now that one is fixed, I think. So we're pretty close to being able to run this program and show you the startup times. And then here we have background item. Well, actually, no, we're going to show you it crash is what we're going to show you. Because that is realistically what's going to occur. And we just have to accept that. Okay, looks like everything's fixed. No, don't do that, motherfucker. Okay, no, project still has issues in the lib project. Okay. Yeah, so we can get rid of that for the BG item shims. BGM shim can get rid of that. Okay, looks like project's fine now. And then there's some issues still though. Okay, not that. Okay, don't care. Don't care. That's just how it happens. Writer sometimes freaks out about this kind of stuff. Don't care. This we care about though. Oh no, this is tests. We don't care about that at all. We do not care about the tests right now because we're changing so much stuff that we're not going to have time for the tests. So, okay, we can run this and let's watch it crash. All right, guys. It's gonna crash. Let's see what happens. We should probably make a new database project, actually. Because we've just added a ton of stuff. So I'm going to delete db test. Oops, I opened something. Oops, 1 second. Okay, I'm back. All right. So yeah, we're going to make a new db test project and you guys get to see it build. So this is the classic experience. Which is that every time you load it, it basically had to do this. But you'll get to see it do this now. Pretty cool. It's putting everything into the database. Well, first it has to create all the items, and then it will put it all in the database. Hi, Yuki. Yeah, she left pretty quickly because nothing bad happened. We're all good. Nothing bad ever happens here. We're cooking.
Never.
Cooking. Never. This is totally not going to crash. Okay, so now you can see it's building the database, which is very cool. Oh, the other thing I did, Will, by the way, you'll love this, is I added database versioning. So it automatically detects, we can update a constant value in the code that determines the database version, and it detects if the database that it's loading is an old version and prompts the user to update the database before opening.
Badass. Badass. I love that.
All right. Failed to calculate graph edges. That's fine. I don't know what that's about, but it's fine. Hey, it didn't crash well. All right. So let's try opening some objects and see if it crashes. Nope, but it's taking a fucking long time. That's a bad sign. Oh, wait, no, it's not. Oh, no, it's fine. I just didn't double click it right. Okay, cool. So yeah, so this is really cool. So let's show off project load time. Are you ready to watch, Will?
Yeah, I'm watching.
And it's loaded.
Nice. It's
so
good.
fast. It's so fast. So yeah, we can load all of the items still.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it works. I think the animated images I saw last time were broken a little bit. Oh no, it's working still. There she is.
Oh yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, so they're still working. All of these still work then. That's great. And the characters work. All the bindings for this stuff works, which is very cool. So let's keep going through. We can do our character items. Oh, it looks like... Oh, no, these are colors. Yes, that's fine. That works perfectly. Okay, cool. And the voice font still works, so that's great. Chess puzzles. We have our chess puzzles here. These all seem to be working just fine. That's great. We have chibis. We don't have the chibi editor yet because I haven't done that. These group selections load very quickly still, and they have all of their links intact and everything, and all their topics and all that, which is great. You love to see it. Our items still load just fine. These load very quickly because they're very small little things. Our layouts load pretty fast still. These aren't too bad. So that's really good. And you can modify them and everything. Our maps, that's so blazingly fast. Holy shit.
That's great.
So cool. So this is just normal. Like this was always fast. Like this part was always fast. It's just with the database, it's still fast, is what's cool, if that makes sense. Because the database should theoretically slow this down if you don't optimize things appropriately. And it is optimizing appropriately. So places open up just fine. Puzzles open up just fine. Oh, but those hierarchy routes are not being saved and loading. Okay, we gotta look into that. I'm guessing that they have a private setter or something like that on them. It's probably in here. It means it's not deserializing correctly, most likely.
Was Haruhi's will? Hey, that's me.
Haruhi routes. No, it's a get set. Puzzle Haruhi route. Get set. Route event. A struct. Ah! Structs cannot be. No, they should be able to be. Okay, well, I'll look into that later. I don't actually care about that since it's not even an editable thing yet. So anyway, and then scenario. Look at that. Oh my god, it's beautiful. And look how fast it all loads. It's so good.
That's great.
So everything is perfect. And then scripts we're going to show in a second because they're the ones that are the least ready. Sound effects, still working great. System textures, classic. Topics, working wonderfully, including being able to link to everything that they have. And voices. Oops, that's a crash. Okay. ADX type, ADX bytes, byte 0, ADX bytes, byte 0, ADX bytes. Okay, okay. I see. Voice file is null. Ah, that makes sense. Okay. That's fine. Okay. So the way to fix this is just to check if voice file is null and voice file is not on startup. Oh wait, no. There's a thing I can do here. Which is when we deserialize, I should do something special to all these items. I should have something that runs to like do a special thing. Maybe I can just do it in this constructor. No, that doesn't make sense. I'll do it as part of item description, maybe. I'll just have a... Oh, yeah, here it is. Public virtual void initialized after DB load. And it has one usage, and it's after it loads from the DB. Look at that! Jonko is fucking cooking. Cool. He is thinking ahead. So he already like had something set up. So we just go in and we're going to use that here. So we'll just do public override initialize after DB load. And it will call base, yep, and then the next thing it will do is it will say voice file equals voice file. Oh wait, wait, how do I do in the background music item? I have to do the same thing there. Oh yeah, see, here it is, initialize after DB load. I was doing it here. So I just do this, but I do it with voice file. And this is not read-only anymore because I have to be able to do it from that. Awesome. Oh, you got to head out now? Yes. I am very excited. It's going to be great. We're doing really good here. We're cooking. So yeah, this is really cool. Okay, I'm very happy with this. So let's take a look at scripts, I guess. What are you working on Mac right now, by the way, Will?
No, Windows.
Oh, you're on Windows. Okay.
Sorry.
No worries. No worries. All right. So let's merge this real quick. Cool. We've solved all of our merge conflicts, and I'm very happy about that.
You've done it.
Yes, it only took like the
Oh,
entire stream to resolve all the merge conflicts. But that's okay. We're still going. We're still going. I can keep doing stuff. Okay, so one of the things we're gonna do here is we're gonna have to override that initialize on DB load method here as well. What do you need to run serial loops? All right, no worries.
computer.
See you, Metalocaris. Yeah, you need a computer.
Yeah,
It runs on Windows, Mac, or Linux. Um, so
and a copy of Haruhi probably.
yeah, you need a copy of Haruhi Chokuretsu. Yeah, actually, we have, and an emulator is a good thing too. Melon DS, I recommend as well.
Yeah.
Um. So yeah, if we do what am I doing? Yeah, you can check out do I still have these builds up? I don't think I do. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, I don't have the assets up yet. Or anymore. Anyway, we're gonna be releasing builds of this once we merge the Avalonia branch into main, which is very exciting. Oh wow, staff sync went off. Oh no, it didn't. I scrolled back really far. Okay. Oh wow, your projects went off though. Wow, people are going off in the Discord. Will.
Okay.
Okay.
Damn.
So let's check this out. So what we want to do here is we have to make sure that the things that happen with the script items still happen when they get initialized after loading. So I think what we want to do is that. Yeah, I think so. Because the adjacency graph gets space unignored. So I think we want to do that. And then, yeah, I think that's what we want to do. Okay. So let's check it out. God, I love these load times. It's so beautiful, dude. It's truly so beautiful. Okay, so it crashed because commands is null. So let's follow the stack trace up and see where that's happening. Oh, it's happening at get command trees. Localize back? I thought I removed localize. Oh, get. Oh, hmm. 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 Okay. Interesting. So I took away the localize method, which helped a lot, but it's
Yeah.
still crashing as null for some reason. I go with a null ref. Because it says that this commands here is null. Do I need to set that earlier? Does that get set somewhere? Huh. See, I think it doesn't it get set here for the first time in the view model? Huh. Okay. Like, why would that happen? Hmm. Does this need to happen first? No, that can't happen because commands hasn't been set yet. Also, commands is never null. What the hell? Okay, wait. I need to step through this and see what's happening. This is weird. It works. Also, I'm just so happy with Avalonia Will. It's so great, just generally.
It is really good. Yeah.
Like in addition to the like really good improvements we've made the last couple of months,
Yeah.
like just purely
It
the
is just
raw
good.
switching to Avalonia has made my life so much better.
Yeah. No, Avalonia's goated.
It is goated. That's so true. Okay.
Oh,
Let's
I'm
try
starting to think
opening
I
up.
might be based.
You're based?
No, not really. I'm
Oh,
trying to get something to work. It's
I
nearly
think
working.
I
Nearly.
think you're based.
Ooh, thank you.
Yeah, of course. Okay, get script command tree. Okay, from invocation. Oh, get script parameters probably is where the issue is, right?
Do that.
Do you like this crazy like thing where I have all of these collections now, Will? To like be able to
Oh,
get specific stuff from the
it is
parameters.
glorious. It is
Yeah, it's
glorious.
great.
Yeah.
Love that. What is happening? Oh, are these just commands without parameters? Is that what's happening? Why is the command OP mode over and over again? Oh no! Why is it always OP mode? Is OP mode the first one? No, it's not. What the hell? What is going on? They're all 0. All of the parameters are 0. Why? Why are all the parameters 0? Oh, it worked. Kind of. It didn't really work. Something's very wrong happened. Okay. Odd. Huh. Okay, let's see. I mean, let's... Something's going on here. So... And I don't know what it is. So, okay. So we get commands, and then commands is our dictionary here. We have our results. Here's our 2 sections. We have our commands in each one. These are script item commands, just as they should be. But their parameters are wrong, aren't they? Is that part of the problem? No, those are all correct. Yeah, this is all... This is... That's wrong. No, that's right. No, that's wrong. No, maybe that's right. I don't know, actually. Okay, I don't... Okay, so that looks right to me. So then we have the calculate graph edges. Then we have a reactive one with its commands, and those commands are correct. Oh, we calculate graph edges twice? What is going on here? That's probably a merge conflict thing, right? Okay. Let's try this again. The great thing about this now is we've got every time I have to iterate, it doesn't take like 90 seconds to find out if my iteration worked. This is the best thing about this change that I've made.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now interactable objects. Is giving me a null ref, which I guess makes sense. Yeah, okay, I see what's happening. Okay. That's fine. I can fix that easily. Wait, it can be null? It can be null. That seems wrong. Whatever. Fuck it. If script.event.interactable objects is not null. Yeah, that's fine. I don't care. Whatever. I swore it couldn't be null. Like from earlier testing, I swore that section was always there. I guess not. I don't know. Oh my gosh, I was so used to it taking forever to load that I like briefly. What would you do if when you okay, so he said yes would go? Yeah, so that's so true.
What?
That's so true. That's so true. Okay. So okay, no. So that's not working.
What?
This loads now, but oh, fails to the dialogue commands are not the dialogue script editor must not be optimized yet. Okay. But the important thing is why is the script preview failing? Actually, we can find that out. Let's look at the logs real quick. No, I don't know. I don't know that meme. Let's open up the logs. Okay.
What did it say? Oh, I see.
Script
Let's
item line 372. Okay. All right, let's find out what's going on here. All right. So Chibi. Okay. So reach Chibi. There is a Chibi item. Why? Okay. Okay. Where C dot chibi index greater than 0. Okay. Wait, I already checked that. What? Stop it.
get some notes.
Hell yeah. Okay, so this is drawing top screen chibis. And that's where the error is. So let's see if we can figure this out. Okay. So just click a random one here. Okay, so we have starting chibi section has one entry and it's not greater than 0, so this should be an empty thing. Okay, yes it is. So chibis is empty right now. That's what we want. But Kyone gets added by OP mode. That's right, he does. That's true. So this chibi item is correct. Okay, so it's chibi Kyone. We're good. And then it's not that. So we skip all of that. Here, let's just, we know, oh wait, no. It's not any of these things. So let's just jump straight down to here. All right, so if commands.any is OP mode, then we're going to change the chibi start X and chibi start Y to be these particular values. All right. Okay, so chibi frame, SK bitmap, chibi, for each chibi item in chibis. Oh my god, is the chibi not being deserialized properly? Is that the issue? Because I haven't tested chibis yet. So I need to just make sure that the chibi actually gets its frame, because the frame is null here. Yeah, okay, I see what's going on. So chibi animation. So basically I need to do something to make this correct. Wait, why is this not bson ignored? What the fuck? Okay, whatever. Okay. That should definitely be bson ignored, so I don't know what's going on there. Okay, so chibi animations, but chibi entries is fine. So okay, so then what we want to do is override chibi entries dot clear. That. Now that should work. I'm gonna have to delete DB test again, aren't I? Damn. Another one in the recycle bin. Okay. So I think okay, so chibi animations. Where is chibi animations getting initialized? At the refresh level? No. Oh, chibi entries adds chibi animations. I see. I see. I see. Okay. So chibi graphics is fine because that's just graphics files. Yeah. Okay. Cool. 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 Okay. 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 We're good. We got this. So actually, I can just call refresh project. Oh no, I can't because there's a log. Why is there a log on that? Nothing's getting logged. Oh, because it has to have a log. Okay. Okay, cool. Initialize after DB load project. And we've got this. Okay, awesome. And so then one thing that we want to do, so we go back to script item. No, it's probably fine because it's already. Wait, is it fine? No, it's not. We have to actually call this on everything every time we load it. Okay. Well, not everything every time we load it, but certainly anything that we want to do stuff with. So, okay. So, I guess I can just do this. Chibi dot initialize after DB load project. Okay. That's fine. Okay. Yeah, that should work. Let's see if I do this anywhere else. If I call get chibi. No, that's the only place I call get chibi. Okay. Cool. So that should work now. So I think we fixed another bug, William.
We have done it.
Yeah. This is going to be so cool when it goes in, by the way. You're going to love it.
Mm-hmm.
Except also you're going to hate it because it's the biggest PR I've ever made.
Oh god.
I'm not joking. You want to see the file count right now?
Go on. Yeah, I kind of imagine it would be though. It does make sense to me.
Here is. So this is into main, so that doesn't count. But here is into Avalonia. It's currently 170 files changed.
Oh god.
And we can go. Yeah. Okay, wait. It's not loading. My browser just froze. Trying to load it. Oh man. Oh man. Okay. Yeah. It's crazy long though. Like, look at this. Oh my god. Yeah, it's still. Yeah.
God.
Yeah, it's a lot. I changed a lot of stuff and added a lot of things and the whole thing. Did it? Oh, it's creating the project. That's why it's taking so long. Okay, cool. Okay, so now if I opened up this script, just a random one, and I click on something. Oh, I clicked on a dialog command and it's not optimized. Fuck. Forgot about that. I have to optimize everything now. It's like a whole thing. Because before we were calling, if you do like that thing, like I was saying, like if you just call directly into items, like you want to call directly into the items collection, it takes so long. And so like when I did the initial replacement, I just had everything do that because I was like, I'll just one-to-one replace everything with what we were doing before, right? But it just doesn't work if you do that. So that's why I changed it to do something else.
Hold on, I gotta. Yeah, there we go. I can only do a few more minutes, by the way.
Okay.
I've got something to kind of show you.
No worries. No worries.
Not quite though. Why isn't it doing it? I'm trying to align some items to the left of our of a toolbar and some to the right. Which is easier said than done.
Okay, though, cook.
Have you any idea how you might do that? Oh, not really.
Like aligning stuff on the toolbar.
Yeah, some items to the left, some to the right.
You can probably define horizontal alignment on each item individually, right?
Yeah, I'm trying to do that, but
It's not
hmm.
working.
No, I
Maybe can you like put
might have an idea though.
you could like dock panel it maybe?
Hmm,
I don't
maybe.
know. There's
I'll
various
have a
panels
think.
I would use. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Um, okay. That should work now. It didn't work. Okay. Oh, it's because I'm stupid.
Yeah, that's fair.
I love it when I realize something like that. And I'm just like, oh, it's because I did something very dumb.
uh,
Yeah. Okay, now we're cooking. Kind of. Oh, they're all null though. Why? They all have get sets, but they don't have a blank constructor. You learn so much about serialization by doing stuff like this.
oh, window.
Oh, chat revival. Let's fucking go.
Oh,
Yeah, there's 3 concurrent viewers right now, so we're cooking.
oh snap.
Yeah, I know, we're cooking. People are watching us go. Okay, let's see if I can get this to work. No, I can't. It's still null. Okay, but why?
It's so
So
dead.
you're one of them, dude. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Okay, so but why? Chibi Entries is not a Chibi Graphics? What is Chibi Entry? Oh shit, that's why. Tuples, serialization hates tuples, in case you were wondering.
Oh really?
Yes. Also, I don't know why this is a tuple. I can just put string name on this thing. What was I thinking when I did this? I could just make this with chibi graphics and just have a name. Why would I decompose it like that? That's so strange. Okay. And then just have string name and then do name fourth name. Okay. And then yes, I have to go and change some things, but that's fine. I just do that. It's so easy. And then for this, I just do this.
How have I done that?
What did you do?
Trying to mess with the toolbar, and I'm sending it places. I'll have to show you the rest of this later, I think.
Okay.
But it's coming along.
Is going, is cooking?
It's sort of, yeah. We'll see where we go.
Okay,
Oh
okay.
my god. Yeah. No, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. You'll see. You'll see. Wait, is that?
Oh wow, that was actually a very easy change to make. Minimally affected by it. Oh, hi, Millie. Millie's in chat. You always love to see
Millie's in
that.
chat. Millie's in chat.
That's so true, King.
Millie's in chat.
He's fucking going
Millie's in
off,
chat.
Millie, just because you got here.
Millie's in chat. Hello, Millie. Ah, alright, yeah, one more compile try, and I'll see if I can finish this up later today or tomorrow. Wow. But it is
Okay.
there, I think, nearly. You'll see. It's kind of a bit of a adjustment to how this all looks. It's kind of correct, but not quite. Nearly there.
All right. Let me
There's
see.
a reason. There's a reason why.
Let me see what you're cooking on your screen. Oh, if you, I'm gonna
right.
I'll put you
Yeah,
on my
sorry.
screen.
Oh, hold on. Yeah,
Okay,
hold
yeah,
on.
no worries. I'm gonna pop you out though once you share your screen. Okay, cool. And then I'll put you on. Here's Will's screen here.
You can see my. It's the one with the program on, right? Yeah, okay, you can see the right one. Good.
Oh my gosh, watch how long it's gonna take to load, guys.
It takes ages. Hurry up and
Mine's so much faster.
hurry up and
Actually,
get
yours
that
is
PR
really
merged.
fast though. Yours cooking.
Yeah. Okay, so you see how we've adjusted the
Oh, it's on
styles
the
from the
left
top bar.
side, yeah.
No, it's not meant to be on the left side. It's
Okay,
meant to
never
be on the
mind.
right side.
Okay, never
But the
mind.
project name is meant to go here, right? And I'm trying to get that to
Ah,
work. So I have a grid here
okay.
with column definitions like that, with a label. I tried a text box
Oh,
as well.
Will,
I
it
can
can't
text
be
box
auto.
it.
Make the second column star.
Okay. I tried that as well. I don't think it worked. This
And
doesn't show for some
then
reason.
not horizontal. Oh, it's a horizontal alignment. Okay. And then is it within a stack panel? It is within a stack panel. Okay.
No, it's in a grid, yeah.
Okay, yeah. Let's take a look then. Let's see what happens. And then the other thing
Funny
you
if
can
this
do,
works.
Will, do you know about F12 in Abalonia?
Is that the thing that brings up the debug thing?
Well, it's like an extremely useful debug thing, but yes.
I've never tried it.
I'll show you in a second. Once this loads here.
Oh, it's on the right, but there's nothing here.
Okay, so hit F12 real quick. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So do main window. Yeah, just like start extending this out.
So,
Yeah, grid. And
so
you can
could
see
be
you can
this
highlight
and this.
grid. There's the text block.
But Nowhere.
and the toolbar. So what's in the text block? Is the text block got text? Or is it visible or whatever? It's got bounds, it looks like.
Is enabled, is focused, no. Is visible, yes. Text is null.
No,
How are you
text is
not?
null.
Can I enter text? Will it show if I press enter?
Yeah, I think so. Yep.
How is it null? Oh, because I'm binding it to open project name, and maybe that's not nothing. Doesn't mean anything. Huh? Is that
What
not
is?
reactive?
It doesn't matter. Oh, maybe it's not reactive. Maybe it's not reactive. Yeah, that might be it.
Is
Just
that a bad idea to do that? It might be.
let's see. What would I bind it to? Open project. Let me see. 1 second.
Oh, maybe you might do this instead. Oh, actually no, because you might make a binding. You might do like this, and then you'd have like in the main window view model.
Oh yeah.
The thing. Hang on, where is that?
It's
Where's the main?
below. It's below. Yeah.
Then you have, I don't know, a react. This you'd have this be reactive public string.
Oh, you don't even have to do it that way, Will. You want to know a clever thing you can do?
Open project name, and then you do that project open project name.
So you can't make that reactive then, but you can just do that. But what you could do is you could do no, just try that. Fuck it, just try that. See what happens.
Yeah, I'm actually hold on though. I'm just gonna while I'm here do this. No, yeah, let's do it in here.
Yeah, good idea. This is epic.
Tidy things up a little bit. This might be cool. And then we've added. Then what I also want to add is the project icon that you've made, maybe to the left of that. Because you see how I'm kind of like basing it off of this. I just like this. I'm very inspired by Ryder and IntelliJ, which is the same thing.
Fair enough.
Right.
Millie says she's been here for ages, but nobody
It
noticed.
doesn't work. Why? Why does it not work? I have no
Okay,
idea.
you need to step into the debugger and okay, let's see.
It's null, yeah, text is still null.
Did you push this up to your branch? I'm gonna take a look at it. That looks good though.
No. It does look nice, doesn't it? Margins of 5. Is the margins correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe make that 15. Let's make that 20. Yeah, let's make that 20 left. And that'll look a bit nicer, but then I don't know why that's not working.
Well, okay, 1 second.
Hang on.
What are the project's properties?
Yeah, and
it is a name. That should be what it is.
let's do this real quick.
We can't make project reactive. It adds too much overhead, just so you know.
Yeah, I know, but I'm doing that. This might work. Can reactive be just capital? Is that right? Is that just does that be that?
Oh, I have no. It doesn't matter. You can make it lowercase.
That's fine. Why is it erroring?
Because it doesn't have a get setter.
Oh right, yeah. Sorry, forgot about that.
Yeah, it needs both get and set. Yeah.
Right.
Did you set it somewhere else?
Yeah.
That's epic. That's probably gonna work. And the project name won't change, so who cares, right?
Right.
Well, I mean, unless we let them rename projects, in which case I'll figure that out.
Yeah. Well, that's just a case of setting it again, isn't it? Updating.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. It's not a big deal. Where did you set it? Set a breakpoint wherever you set it, and hit Control W. Yeah, so set a breakpoint there, and then don't start over. Just hit Control W and open the project again or whatever.
You can do that? I didn't know you could do that.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah, you added that feature, William.
I did, didn't I? Lol.
Yeah, you added
I
that
thought it
feature.
wasn't. I thought it wasn't in the Avalonia. Anyway,
No, I added everything.
why the
It's not
fuck
getting hit.
is it not calling that? How is it not calling that? Oh,
Um,
that's because that's a new
it is
project. I
no,
forgot to
that's
set it.
migrate
Yeah.
You're in migrate project, Will.
Yeah, I gotta. Yeah, it's gonna be there as well. We're gonna need to do it, and then maybe I should just put it in this. Yeah, I should just do this, right?
Yeah, you
And
should do it
then with
there.
no
Yeah.
problem. Yeah. Yeah, let's put it there because then we open.
Yeah.
That gets called, and that opens the project view. Actually, maybe let's put it there. Anyway, whatever.
No, that's
Yeah,
in project.cs. You can't put it there.
Yeah.
The other reason it wasn't hitting the breakpoint probably is because you're running, not debugging.
Yeah, forgot about that. It's
Damn.
faster. It loads faster in run mode.
It does load faster in run mode, but I don't care. It won't matter as soon as we
Yeah.
have database checked in, bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're
Exactly.
checking in the database.
Yeah, with I might
That's
adjust
really
the padding.
nice.
Maybe that's a bit too much padding, but maybe
That
not.
looks
For now,
great, though.
that's. But I want to add the project icon next to it, so you know how you can go here and then you can go project, edit here, and then you can. I want to put that there.
Oh, that'd be
I might
cute.
leave that to you though. I mean, well, maybe I'll do it tomorrow. I don't know.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'll push this up to my branch. Yeah.
Yeah, make a PR for it. Like if you think you're gonna work on it more, do just draft it for now, and then if you want me to just take over or whatever, you can just release it. I don't care.
All right, it's in my branch. You can have a look at the branch. It's not too
Make
many
a
changes,
PR.
so that's about it.
Make a PR, William.
Yeah.
He's gonna go make a PR.
What the freak have I done? Why is it? Oh, right.
To Avalonia. Oh my
Yeah,
gosh,
there's
he's doing. Look at
PR.
he's making a PR from Ryder, folks. Like, look at this guy over here. Look at this guy. Look what he's doing.
I won't elaborate, but yeah.
That's fine.
I think we can. There's the hierarchy maintain. Oh no.
Yeah, serial loops maintainers.
Yeah.
And you can also assign yourself. Oh, I'll assign you later.
Yeah. Whatever.
It's too late. It's too late.
It's too late. All right, that's cool for me. That's cool for now. Oh, that was great, Jonko.
Yes, it was. I agree. That was very fun.
Oh, thank you for having me again, and that was a good bit of
course.
progress. So I've done a few. I will actually forget to mark which PR.
Yeah, here, let's pull up the board here, and I'm gonna put one of your things in PR, I guess. Which one is it? So you have.
Is there one for the icons?
So
maybe not. That's tweak styles to give better vibes is kind of in a little bit more.
I'll say you're working on it. Yeah, I'll say you're working on that.
But it's kind of in the...
Self documentation's coming up. Script editor, contextual highlighting is coming up. Quick mini diagrams, increase UI, text size, GitHub issue templates. No, I don't see the issue. Where? Okay, assignee will. I mean, I know I assigned these things to you.
There you go. 472 at the bottom.
472 at the bottom.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, yes. Display current. Yes. Okay. So that's in PR now. And then I guess there's probably I just told you
no
to
issue
make
for the
icons.
Yeah.
I just told you to make icons.
Well, I made some of them. I'm still making
perfect.
them. All right.
That's epic.
That was great. Thank you so much for having me.
That was
Absolutely.
Really fun. It was very, very fun. Yeah,
right.
I'm gonna keep working on the database thing, and I'm gonna put that PR up soon, and you can just approve it because there's absolutely no reasonable way for you to review it.
Yeah, I might have a quick.
Yeah, give it a shot. Give it a build. Yeah. Give it a shot. Try it out.
PRs, I tend not to read every line.
Yeah,
there with
I did say that.
Nice
that's
spot.
true. I did say that. Yeah, it was really fun working with you as always. Finish up your issues,
Till next
King.
time.
Finish up your issues.
I will.
Thank you so much.
All right.
All right.
Take care. Have a good one.
All right. You too.
Ciao.